A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
Nice.
Right? All right. Yes,
I am
my dear
fine,
students.
thank
Yes, very good, very good. Today we will be revising worksheets 11, 12 and 13 of our English grammar workbook. Which worksheets are we going to revise? Worksheets 11, 12 and 13. I have already requested all of you to be present with your grammar workbook. Are you ready
Yes,
with the same?
ma'am.
Are you ready with the same? Yes,
Yes.
very good. Let me share the screen. While the screen gets loaded, I request everybody to once again make sure that you all are ready with your grammar workbook. Grammar workbook and specifically be on page number 35. 35. That is the first exercise that we are going to revise today, which is worksheet 11. The title of worksheet 11 is These,
Those and these.
These and Those. Yes. Worksheet 11, These and Those. In the previous grammar session, we have revised worksheets 8, 9 and 10. And in one of those three worksheets, we have revised about the usage of two very commonly used words, that is this and that. Do you remember them? Yes?
Yes.
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 Yes, yes. Please don't unmute your device until I call out your name. Good children. Very good. Now, this is used when we speak about one particular person, thing or animal that is near us. Near us, right? And we use the word that when we speak about one particular person, animal or thing that is far from us. Right? Now, today we are going to revise the usage of two specific words, very commonly used words, that is these and those. These and those. We have learnt about singular and plural, right? What all do we add it to nouns to make them singular, plural, sorry, plural?
S.
S and
And
ES.
yes.
Yes, very good. We add S and ES to specific nouns to make them into their plural form. Now, the plural of this, THIS, this is these. Do you remember that? The plural form of this is these and the plural form of that is those. That. The plural of that is those and the plural of this is these. Now, we all know that this is used when we speak or write about one particular person, thing or animal which is near us. Yes? Yes. And we use these when we speak or write about two or more people, animals or things which are near us. These. Okay. Now that we use when we speak about one specific person, place or animal which is far from us. The plural of that is those. The plural of that is those. And we use those when we speak or write about two or more people, animals or things which are far from us. Are you able to recollect now? Yes, remember? Very
Yes.
good. Very good. Very good, my dear ones. Let's try to move ahead. This is the same thing that I have explained to you all, right? Yes, let us have a look at a few examples. We can see a boy standing near the pot and there is only one pot. So, we will use the word this. This is a pot. Now, in the second example, the boy is standing near three pots. Three. So, the word we will use is these. The plural of this is these. These are pots. These are pots. Okay? Here, in the third picture, we can see a girl pointing towards a bird, one bird, which is sitting on the branch of a tree far from the girl. So, we will use the word that. And there is only one bird. So, we will write it as that is a bird pointing towards one thing which is far from you. That is a bird. Now, in the second picture, we can see that there are three birds. How many? Three.
Three.
And all these birds are far from the girl. So, how would she say? Those. Those are birds. Those are birds. How many birds are there? Three. Yes.
Three.
So, the plural of that is those. Now, are you able to remember?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Now, let's continue. Meenakshi, unmute please.
Yes,
Dash are sweets. You have to use these or those.
These.
These are sweets. Very good.
These are
Four-
sweets.
There are 4 sweets and all of them are near the boy. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you. Evelyn, unmute. Try the next one. Yeah. Yes, Evelyn. Dash are.
These are cars.
These or those?
Those are buses.
Buses. Yes, those are buses. Here we need to use the word those, T-H-O-S-E, because the buses are far from the person. Right? Okay, good effort, Evelyn. Thank you. Advait, Manoj, try the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
These are the toys.
These are toys. Yes, because the girl is standing near the toys. Very good, Advait. Thank you. Santom, try the last one.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Those are kites.
Perfect. Very good. Those are kites. Those are kites. Very good, Santom. Thank you.
Ma'am.
You're welcome. Now let's skip the other one. We will move to the B part. Here we have to decide this, that, these or those. Okay. Mitra, unmute.
Dash are both.
Yes.
Those are both.
Okay, very good. The dog is sitting far from the 3 bones. So we need to use the word those are bones. Well done, Mitra. Thank you.
Thank you,
Anurag,
ma'am.
unmute. Anurag, unmute. You're welcome. Yes, Anurag first.
Yes, ma'am.
The cat and the fish.
This is a fish.
Very good. There is only one fish and it is near the cat. So this is a fish. Well done, my dear. Joseph, unmute. Try the next one. The girl and the pens. The girl and the pens.
These are pens.
Very good. Spelling.
T-H-E-S-E.
Very good. Very good, Joseph. Thank you. Chaitanya, unmute. Try the next one. The man and the boat.
That is a boat.
Yes, that is a boat. That is a boat because the boat is only one and it is far from the man. Good effort, my dear. Tirtha, unmute. Yeah, welcome. Try the next one. Tirtha, unmute first.
Yes, ma'am.
Try the next one. The girl and the cow.
That is a cow.
That is a cow. Very good. Thank you. Bennett, try the last one. The girl and a hen.
This is a hen.
This is a hen. Fantastic. There is only one hen and it is near the girl. So this is a hen. Well done. Thank you. Advait, Manoj, don't unmute your device unnecessarily, please. Okay, let's move to worksheet 12. Here we will revise about the usage of three commonly used words, that is am, is and are. Am, is and are. I request everybody to be on page number 37. 37. Okay, now these are three little words. 1, 2, 3. Three little words which are used very often or a lot of times, especially when we talk about ourselves or about others. Okay? Out of these three words, am, is, are, which word is used when we speak about ourselves? Wilfred, unmute and tell me the answer. Out of these three words, which one is used to speak about ourselves? Am, is, are.
Am.
Am, yes, very good. We use am when we talk about ourselves. For example, if I want to say something about myself, I will say that I am a teacher. Wilfred, what would you say about yourself? How would you say it?
I am a boy.
Very good. I am a boy. I am a good boy. I am a student. You can say anything that you wish to. But you have to make sure that you use am when you speak about yourself. Well done, Wilfred. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, my dear. Now, the next word is is. We use is when we talk about one person or thing. We use is when we speak about one person or thing. For example, Ram is a boy. Ram is only one boy, one person. So we will use is when we speak about Ram. Next, the next word is are. We use are when we talk about two or more people or things. Two or more people or things. For example, the birds are flying. The birds are flying. Are the birds. It can be 2 or 3 or 4 or more. Any number more than 2. So we have to use the word are. A-R-E-R. Madhav, please sit properly. Madhav, sit properly, straight. Okay. Now, let us use some commonly used sentences. Here we will understand and revise the meanings of and usage of these three words once again. Am, is, are. Just now we revised that we use am when we speak about ourselves. I am a sailor. I am a sailor. But there is a difference. Here we are speaking about one person but another person other than us. So we will say, you are a doctor. You are a doctor. We have to use are when we speak about another person. Even if the person is only one, we have to use are. You are a doctor. The same way, if there are two people saying about themselves, we have to use we are. We are sailors. Even if it is the case of two or more people other than us, we have to say you are doctors. If it is only one person, a doctor or a teacher. But if it is another person other than us, we have to use you are. If there are more than two, we must say you are doctors. You are doctors. Then another person but only one male. He is a soldier. Another person, but a female. She is a dancer. She is a dancer. Then, two people. They are soldiers. See the usage of is and are? Are, because two people are there. Two. They are soldiers. Here also there are two dancers. So we will use the words they are dancers. So see, is used when we speak or write about one person, and are is used when we speak or write about two or more people. Are you able to recollect? Yes? Sure? Okay, very good. Now, let's try to do a few examples.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Krishna, unmute. Try the first one. We dash in school.
We are in school.
We are in school, because we means it can be any number greater than 2. Okay. Good effort, Krishna. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Parvati, unmute. Try number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The pen,
Madhav, sit properly.
the table.
The pen dash on the table.
The pen is on the table.
Very good. The pen is on the table. Only one pen. Okay. Thank you, Parvati. Good effort.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome. Madhav, try the third one. The bat.
The bat.
Mm.
The bat.
Only one bat. Am, is, or are?
Is.
Is. Very good. The bat is made of wood. Very good, Madhav. Thank you. Jennifer, try the fourth one.
Those dash juicy mangoes.
Yes. Those means more than 2.
Those are juicy mangoes.
Yes, perfect. Thank you, my dear. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Arav, unmute. Welcome. Arav, try number 5.
The books
Books.
dash on the table.
Books. Am, is, are. The
Books.
plural. Books.
The books are.
Yes, very good. Very good, Arav. The books are on the shelf. Good effort, my dear. Thank you. Nihal, unmute. Try number 6.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. Okay, very good, Nihal. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Ritika, unmute. Try number 7.
The teddy dash for on.
An, not on. An.
An.
The teddy dash for an.
The teddy is for Anne.
Very good. The teddy is for an. Muhammad Ali, unmute. Thank you, my dear. Number 8.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Muhammad Ali, try number 8. First, unmute. Unmute first. Muhammad Ali, unmute. Yeah.
She is a queen.
She is a queen. She is a queen. Okay, very good. Muhammad Ali, thank you. Azaria, Bhagyashri, Swali, switch on your videos. Swali, can you hear me? Try number 9. Can you hear me?
Read.
Can you hear me, Swali? Swali, can you hear me?
Yes, Nora. Yes, I can hear you.
Try number 9 if you can hear me. Why is your video switched off? Try number 9, page number 38. We
YK.
We are students.
Very good. We are students. We means it can be any number greater than 2. And when we speak about 2 or more people, we must use are. Well done, Swale. Please try to switch on your video. Okay, thank you, my dear. Azaria, try number 10. Azaria, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, try number 10.
She dash
Are. O-U-R. Are. Yeah.
neighbor.
Neighbor. He.
Neighbor.
Yeah.
Neighbor.
He means how many people?
He.
Only one.
He
Is our neighbor.
Is.
He is our neighbor. Okay, very good.
neighbor.
Now, number 11. I am an engineer. They means more than 2, right? They. We use they when we speak about more than 2 of the other people, other than us. They are children. And she is one person. Another person. Only one. She is my sister. Okay? Now, are you clear about the usage of am, is and are?
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good. This is the same exercise. Let me stop sharing this. Let's move to worksheet number 13. I request everybody to be on page number 40. In worksheet 13, we will be revising the usage of 2 once again very commonly used words that are has and have. H-A-S has and H-A-V-E have. Has and have. We will be revising the usage of 2 words has and have. Are you ready to do that, my dear ones?
Yes.
Yes. Is everybody on page number 40?
Yes.
40. Okay. Yes, the board is loaded now. Has and have. We will be revising and trying to recollect the usage of these 2 words now. Has and have. H-A-S has and H-A-V-E have. Now, my dear students, we use has when we speak or write about one person, animal, place or thing. One. Only one person, animal, place or thing. When we speak about them, we use the word has. For example, Amit has a pen. Amit has a pen. Here we are speaking about Amit, who is only one boy, one person. So we use the word has. But now have a look at the second example in the same sentence. Anu has. Here also we are speaking about Anu, who is one person, one girl or one woman. And as we are speaking about only one person, we must use has. But the case is a little different here because Anu has 2 pencils. 2. But we don't give much importance to that. We have to give importance to the number of people whom we are speaking about here. That is Amit and Anu. In the first sentence, it is Amit, one person. In the second sentence, it is Anu, who is also one person. So we will use the word has. Has. Amit has, Anu also has. Because Amit and Anu both are one person each. Yes? So we will use has when we speak about one person, one animal, one place or one thing. Now, the next word is have, which is used when we speak about 2 or more people or things. When we speak or write about 2 or more people or things, we must use have. There is one change in this rule as well. What is that? We also use have with I. That too, always. That means whenever we write I, we must use the word have. H-A-V-E. That is one change to this rule. Okay. Are you able to remember all these things which we have done previously? Are you
Yes.
able to recollect? Always remember, we must use have with I. And when do we use I? To speak about whom do we use I?
Ourselves.
To speak about ourselves. Very good. See, they have many crayons. They means it can be any number greater than 2, right? They have many crayons. But in case of I also, we must use the word have. I is only one person, right? Still, we have to use the word have. I have a blue bag. That is one change to this rule. You have to accept it and keep it in mind. Right? Okay. Very good. Very good. Now, let's see a few examples. I. What comes with I? I have. I with I always comes have. I have. You. You also is one person, another person. With you also we will write have. I, you and we. We is 2 or more than 2 people. We will use the word have. I have a cat. You have a cat. We have a cat. So with these 3 words, I, you and we must use the word have. Are you able to remember now? Okay. The boys have a pet cat. We can use they instead of the boys because we can observe here that there are 4 boys in the image. So we will use the word they for these 4 boys. Anil has. Anil is only one person. So we will use has. What is the pronoun for Anil? A boy? What is the pronoun for a boy? He. Very good. He has a bicycle. Similarly, Sita has a bicycle. Sita is one girl, so we will use the word has. What is the pronoun for girls?
She.
She. She has a bicycle. Okay, let's go ahead and try to solve some examples.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Madhav, unmute. Try the first one. Fast, please. Come on, be fast, my dear.
Elephant.
Elephants dash
Have.
trunks. Elephants dash trunks. Has or have? S is there. Sorry? Sorry?
Have. Have.
Have.
We have.
H-A-V-E, have. Okay, very good, Madhav. Thank you. Jennifer, unmute. A cat dash 4 legs. A cat.
A cat has 4 legs.
Perfect. Thank you. Azaria, try the third one.
Okay, ma'am. Ram, I
I.
dash
Hmm. I dash
color pencil.
color
Color
pencil. Yes.
pencil.
Hmm. With I, what do we
I
use?
dash
With I, what
Have.
do we use? Have. Very good. Always keep in mind that
Have.
we must use
I
have
have
with
color
I.
pencil.
Okay. Thank you, Azaria. Good effort. Santom, unmute.
Some
Try number 7.
dash
No, number 7 I said. 7. My uncle
dash in a new
shoes.
school.
My uncle, one person. Has or have?
Hat.
Spelling?
HAS.
Very good, Santa. Thank you, my dear.
Thank
Krishna, unmute. Try number 9. Krishna, try number 9. We
dash to work hard.
we can be any number greater than 2, more than 2.
We have to work hard.
Yes, very good. Always keep in mind, I have, you have, we have. Okay? Yes. Thank you, my dear. Try number 11, Bennett. Yes, Bennett.
Manon has that Mr. Manon dash has a new car.
Has. Mr. Menon means one person. So we will use the word has. Thank you, Bennett. Good effort. Evelyn, unmute. Try number 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Ajit dash
has a brother and a sister.
Very good. Ajit is the name of only one person. So, we will write has. Thank you, my dear. Advait Manoj, try number 15. 15.
Yes, ma'am. Cow have a 2 horn.
Cows have 2 horns. A is not there. Cows means more than 2, right? So, cows
Yes.
have 2 horns. Good effort, Advait. Thank you. Nihal, unmute. Try number 17. Nihal.
I have 5 t-shirts.
Very good. With I, we must always use have. I have 5 t-shirts. Well done, Nihal. Thank you.
Thank you,
Dilka,
ma'am.
try number 19.
We dash a pet dog. We have a pet dog.
Fantastic. We have a pet dog. Okay, my dear. Good effort. Parvati, unmute. Try number 20.
Go boy.
Dash
A toy car.
has or have?
Has.
Very good. Spelling?
HAS.
Very good. Very good. So, thank you, Parvati. Let me stop sharing here. I believe all of you have been able to recollect what we have learnt in worksheets 11, 12 and 13. Yes?
Yes.
If you have any doubts, you can get them cleared from me. whenever you feel like so. Okay? Yeah? So, all right, with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.